Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another Shop With Me Sunday. In today's episode, we will be shopping at Dollar Tree for some of their new spring items. I got these candles from Dollar Tree. This one says Pure Bliss. I thought it was really cute and it would match my beauty room. It kind of reminded me a little bit of Victoria's Secret. And then I have the lavender lemon candle lit for nighttime. I got this little glass cup here that says bloom where you're planted. That's one of my favorite sayings. I loved the colors. It's like turquoise and yellow. And then on the back there you can see it has a nice little bike. I think that's so adorable. Couldn't resist getting one of those. And then they had a lot of really pretty fun colored succulents. I got just this one because I feel like it'll match my office decor. They had a lot of really pretty ones, but I didn't feel like they would match any of my decor, so I didn't get them. Picked up this little sign here. It says tea time, and then you can see it says wishing you a day full of joyful moments. I love the detailing. It's so pretty. And it matches my bedroom really nicely. I got this little stone that is supposed to go in your garden, but I love the saying. I think the quote is really pretty. And I'm going to paint this up and do a little DIY for one of my friends, so stay tuned for that. I actually saw this for sale at TJ Maxx for $7.99, and I only got it for $1. So definitely keep in mind that you might find some surprises in Dollar Tree. I was thrilled to see these both right by the cash register before I checked out, and of course I had to stack them on as well. This little notepad here is so adorable. It matches my office perfectly, and I have a really cute little notepad that goes really well with this that I also got from the Dollar Tree that matches so nicely. So I got that as well. And then these are stickers for your planner. I could not believe that this was only $1. You can see that it comes with 323 stickers. I'm a huge sticker collector. I put stickers in my planner all the time, so this was just so pretty and came in handy. I'm really happy that I was able to pick this up. Make sure you keep an eye out for some fun little products like this that might be hidden right near the cash register. This was not near any of the normal craft or paper or stickers aisle. It was right near the cash register. So it comes with so many different stickers you can see here. I am so excited to use that. I've never seen flowers like this at Dollar Tree before, so I had to get them. They're a nice little pale yellow color. And then I saw these flowers. There's pink roses and some cream colored roses as well. I love these. They look like really good quality. And I may have went a little overboard because I definitely stocked up on these. These are colors that I use frequently in my decor, so I knew that they would come in handy and they could work for Valentine's Day, they could work for spring or even Easter decor. So I knew I would get really good use out of these. And they're neutral, so they kind of blend well with any color or flower. Here is a stack of all the pink and beige flowers that I got. I really love them. I will be doing a lot of different DIYs for this one, so definitely stay tuned for that. I got a couple of these garden fence things. They are so pretty. There's so many different DIYs that you can do with them. I got 4, but I might actually end up going back to pick up some more because I know these things go really quickly. At least at my Dollar Tree, they go really quickly. I know 1 minute they're there and the next they are gone and they do not come back in stock a lot. So I really recommend picking these up if you do see them. I'm going to be using these above the window in my beauty room, and also I have this little space in my kitchen where I feel like they will look so cute, so I definitely have to buy a couple more. And I also picked up this little garden fence as well. I've never seen this one before and I think it's so cute. There's also so many DIYs I could do with this. So I only picked up 1, and then when I went back there was none left. So if you do see this, definitely try to pick up as many as you can if you feel like you can use it for something. I'm going to paint that and do a DIY with that, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see what I end up doing with that. Now this one I was actually really excited about. This is a navy blue ribbon scrunchie, like with a little bow on it. But once I saw it, I knew that I needed it for my office because I just recently put up curtains in my office and I'm going to use that as a tie back. I will show you a little clip of how that came out. I really love the way it looks. It looks so cute. And for $2 I got curtain tie backs. You can't go wrong. You can see what it looks like without. And there's a glimpse at my gallery wall. And with it, it just looks so much better, I feel like. It almost matches perfectly. It's a little bit of a different material, but it goes really nicely. Remember to think outside of the box when it comes to shopping or decorating in general. Sometimes you can use some unexpected items to get the job done. And then I have this bonus item here that I was not expecting to get. I took a little look at the movie selection. Sometimes I do that and you never know. Sometimes you find little gems that you wouldn't expect, and this was one of them. So I know the holidays are over, but I could not resist getting this Blu-ray digital HD copy of Holiday Inn featuring Bing Crosby and Fred Astaire. They are 2 of my favorites and I am always watching and listening to them, so I definitely needed to get this, and I kind of feel like watching it right now even though the holidays are over. So make sure you keep an eye out for some sweet surprises. You never know what you'll get at Dollar Tree. I forgot to mention that I also got this cute little house that says Home Sweet Home. It's a cute little candle holder. You can put a nice little tea light in there. I think it looks so pretty on my hutch. This is a little DIY that I did. And then here's a little sneak peek at some spring decor. I made this with a mini little candle holder that I cleaned out. I know the Target dollar spot was selling something similar to this. It's so cute. I wish I could have gotten more. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I was really surprised at some of the items that they had at Dollar Tree. I'm super excited to display them in my home and do a couple of different DIYs. I really liked the flowers, especially. The pink flowers were my favorite. I probably bought maybe a little too many, but in my opinion, you can never have too many flowers. I know that I will definitely use them, and I'm planning on doing a couple of different DIYs with them. So stay tuned for those videos for sure. Let me know down below if you got those pink flowers as well and how many you bought. Please make me feel a little less bad about it. Because I would have bought, I think I like bought out the store. I don't think there's any more pink flowers left. But I really love those flowers and I'm so excited. There's gonna be so many DIYs to do with them. So subscribe to my channel if you wanna see those videos because I will definitely be posting them. Happy DIYing!